Blessings. So, yesterday afternoon, February 16, I was contacted, and being the innate egalitarian I am, I had was to follow through with equitable protocol and let this female's voice be heard. Not saying she spoke all veracity, but I'm going to allow her to vent in trying to ease her burden. She also mentioned Sir P quite a few times, and I'm not trying to throw any jabs at Politricks Watch. I was contacted randomly and she asked me for a chance to speak, so I gave her the opportunity to unload. As a matter of fact, Sir P was the only blogger that told me to keep doing what I'm doing during the time when other bloggers struck my channel and I was on the verge of losing it. So, Sir P, bless up yourself. This female is the ex-girlfriend of now deceased O'Shane Earl, more popularly known as Mutombo. Stay with us for all in detail. It is very important for you to watch the video throughout its entirety, all the way to the end for understanding. So, in the meantime, be reminded that if you are new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way there. So that way, you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel, on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Intro. Soon forward. Hello.
Hello?
Morning.
Yes, President, good morning. You're speaking with Miss Ava Mitchell.
Okay, go ahead. I'm listening.
Yes. Me dey have a problem. Man, my friend family them have a problem because
Hold on.
this guy
Hold on.
that lives
Hold
in
on.
community.
Hold on. You hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Your phone a break up. Please go somewhere where me can hear you more clearly, please.
Let me go outside because I'm locked in the house. I'm locked in the house. Let me go outside. Yeah. Is it better now?
Okay, I'm gonna ask you to restart the conversation for me, please.
Yes.
Right.
I am Miss Avia from the community of Kensington. I used Kensington in St. James. I used to be in a relationship with a man by the name of Mr. O'Shane Earl that was on the wanted list of last year. So after I was in a relationship with this gentleman, I've been locked up in jail a few times. Then when I went out of jail, I heard some announcement on the SIRP program stating that I was using my car to traffic gunman, and I also asked my man to kill my mother's brother, which is my uncle. And even though I hear the news, I didn't say anything about it. I didn't even try to answer back or anything. I just leave it at that. But what I get to understand, I have friends, I have family members all over the place. They are saying to me that no, I need to call Sir P or something. I get a lawyer to clear my name or something, because they know that even though I'm in a relationship with this man, I'm not taking part in any illegal activities. And I do not think it is fair. They even publish me on the internet, sir, stating that I'm HIV. I have sleepless nights because of this. Because look, when I do one blood test, I have to go back another 3 months time again to do another one and another one.
Hold on.
You get what I'm saying?
You mentioned something about HIV.
Yes, sir.
Who is basically spreading that narrative?
They even publish me worldwide on the internet, sir, stating that I'm HIV, sir. And I have sleepless nights. Look, I even went to the doctor and do tests. When I went to the doctor and I do tests, they said I should come back again. Then when I go back again next 3 months time, no, HIV is not there, sir. I even have the result here with me, sir, that I get at the doctor, at the government facility.
Alright.
Sir P, see AIDS something them then one look at your public me name now say me have AIDS, eh? True me fuck wanted man Ocean, eh?
Alright, so being in a relationship with this guy, were you rendering any form of assistance towards his criminal activities?
No, sir, I don't. No, I don't. The only thing I do, sir, we were in a relationship, and when they began to ask for him, one good thing I would do, sir, if he come by, I would give him little food. Or sometimes he'll call my phone and say, "You can bring little food, come here, sir, or what?" And I would just bring it. So nothing else, sir. And I have sexual intercourse with him, but not during the time when he was wanted. When the time he was wanted, I moved from St. James to Westmoreland in a gated community, sir, because I didn't want him around me and I didn't want to go around him because the police warned me that it will not work out safe for me. You get what I'm saying? So I even asked him a few times to see if he could turn himself in, and he paid the lawyer fee to turn himself in, and he didn't go back to the lawyer.
Okay.
I want to clear my name, and because look,
in what
even
sense?
If somebody said that I bring man over to their apartment to rob their apartment or something like that, bring me to the court. Bring me to the court, charge me for it. You don't just publish my name like that and nothing no come out of it. So when person they may say me do it there. You get what I'm saying? If me have a car and me they do that, me carry lightly things, me hardly carry people in my car. My boyfriend have a vaccine bus himself, he also on a bike, me not have to transport him. My boyfriend grew up in an area here, so he know everybody and everybody know everybody yard. Why me would have to carry him to go at somebody yard? Why would I have to carry him to have a family yard? You get what I'm saying? Whole heap of other people did. They say him, me don't know about it because me never did it. People tell me. Believe some, yes, me not believe all of it because look, in my community, even though I'm dead, last week, me there at my house and me hear somebody tell me neighbor say, them thief 2 vaccine bus out the road, 2 brand new bus. So I went in dead, things still a thief, things still a missing. So me not say you know we do things, you know, but me not feel say in do all of it. And reason being why I say me believe that my boyfriend do it. He hard working. And he love work. He always work on farm and stuff like that. And he never known as a thief. But you know, say you end up in a wanted position, you can't go maintain yourself with food or whatever. If you're in a bush, you can't go eat, you leave. So I believe say you have to go free from people things. You get what I'm saying? But I don't believe say every single thing that took place was him. No.
Okay. So
no.
So do you have any kids for him?
But no, he has 2 kids though. He has 2 kids that lives in my hometown side. 2 daughters. He has 2 daughters. One of them is in a homes, I think. She's at a boarding school, not at homes, a boarding school because one of them is blind.
Oh.
One of the girls is blind. So she has to visit special school.
School for the blind, for the visually impaired.
Yes.
Hold on. So is this?
But I don't.
So the stigma is still. So the stigma is still attached to your name, as in you have HIV and you was assisting this man during his reign as a criminal.
Yes, and I don't like it because look, one of the time when I heard the news, I wasn't hardly paying it mind because I was like, people are always attracted to me, coming on to me even when I want it not. So I was saying to myself, like, for example, when they hear this news, they will keep from me now. That's what I was saying at first. But then I have friends, I have people, and they say, no, this title is too big for you, and this is not you. This is not something good. You need to go public and go on the air and clear your name. This is not safe. This is what friends and other people are saying to me, and I look into it for myself.
All right.
People are trying to put me down and go so. Me know say go so, yeah, but me just kick back and not even watch them out. I just saw me stay.
All right.
Me and my uncle never have a. Me and my uncle were dead. Me and him never have a good relationship before he dead. Reason being, me and him have an altercation one day. Him just take up and pan a dirty water and throw in my face. You get me? I say so from that me just never have a mind thinking. Because me I say, oh dear, your sister pick me that. I would never do my uncle pick me that. I see somebody I do him that them uncle pick me that. So me not talk to my uncle from that. You get what I'm saying?
All right. You're what? So you never know so this man was a criminal before he get yourself involved. The question. That's the question.
Yeah, chill out.
To be frankly with you, I tell you that he is not known for criminal activities.
All right, but at the same time, you as a woman, there must be a point where.
Hold on. Listen, let me be frankly with you and be fair with you. I acknowledge that my boyfriend, as Jamaican people, it would determine that he is a gangster. I understand. But look, as I'm saying now.
Hold on.
I never knew that.
Before you go any further, what is your definition of a gangster?
Like, for example, you know Christian different from Ruralians, right?
Yeah, but I'm not every Ruralian a gangster. So what is your definition as a gangster? Because I'm a Ruralian and I'm not a gangster.
Gangsters treat people, you know, say thugs are thugs, but what I'm saying, me know say is a thugs, to be honest with you, but me never really know say he has commit murders before he comes in my community.
Okay.
I didn't know that he commit murders out there before. When I acknowledge that he commit murders out there before is when he died and I hear the news. You get what I'm saying? He was never a criminal. He used to work very hard. You can ask anybody, he's hard working and he loves his job. Even when he is wanted, he used to work when he's wanted. Because he work on farm. So lots of people, we hire him. People we know they are there in farm and then just tell him, say, okay, you know, say, I want the banana, you have to plume out or sleeve or something for me. He just use all 1, 2, 3 days and do it and collect 15,000 as soon as he fast.
All right.
He always work. So when the thief in part come in now, it's when he can't get to work no more. Police upon him healing can't get to work no more.
Search.
You get what I'm saying?
Search, hold on.
Me try not every way to help him and to support him, like to go thief and trouble people things. You get what I say?
All right.
Me tell him to go in, and still try to cook game. Me give him food that he not hungry. Me give him food that he not hungry. But my family them never like him. My family them did have a problem with him.
Okay, fine. Hold on.
You get what I say?
Hold on. So you're trying to tell me that during the period, during that duration when he was labeled as a thief, it was when he couldn't get based on him listed as a wanted person?
Yes.
Hold on.
That's where it lead to.
Hold on. I'm gonna rephrase my question again. You're trying to tell me that during the time that he was labeled as a thief, as a criminal, it was due to the fact that he was unable to get a job.
And I'm saying unable to get a job
because
he can't get a job.
No, because he's wanted by the police, so yes, he's unable to get a job, right?
Yes,
right.
Yes.
Because
yes.
being in a job is going to be at a static position and police can come pick him up anytime. So he was trying to avoid that.
Yes, and the person them going a problem to give him the job too.
Okay, fine. Next question is, why your family never like him?
My family them prejudice, then go me one type of way. My family them go and like them shit can't make party. So they know, like if certain people don't have money, or if they're not eligible or certain way, they don't want them in our family or what. So then say, when kick up a nice rich man carry up here with all heap of money, then who do him behave so? You get what I say?
Okay.
And the hurtfulest thing about it, sir, the youth, they look me for years, years in they look me for, I mean, and talk to him none tall and then stuff there. And the reason why I'm head up in sorry for him and I give them food. In come here in our community too. In having things, no people we use them brain. They don't use them brain. You know, taking things. What if abuse happen to him? What if abuse happen to him? I don't know people that say like have no sense hour. And I say no sense in just loyal and in loving. So people will take him for idiot at times. But when he find out now, say, they style him and take him for idiot now. And they so help up loose now and get mad.
Alright.
Get mad and then he want to go take the llama in his hand. And when he take the llama in his hand now, that's not right. I'm trying to teach him all the while. If I want wrong with you, and you take the llama in your hand, look how stupid that be, you dead. When you dead, with them the person, in them bed lie down, kick cock of foot they eat.
Alright, so how old was this young man?
He was 32 years old.
Okay,
at the
32.
time of his death. I'm 1 year older than him.
So you're 33 now, 34.
I'm 33, I'm gonna be 34 this year.
Yeah, but you're saying dead last year and last year was 32. So last year you would be 33 then?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so that means...
Yes, sir.
I'm born 1990.
Yes, sir. I'm born 89.
Okay, so okay. So how many kids do you have?
I have no kids as yet, sir. I don't have any kids as yet.
Oh.
I don't have kids as yet.
I see. I would like to see a result of I would like to see a photo of the HIV result though.
I have them on my phone, can WhatsApp right now, so I even send them on TikTok, sir. Because me frustrated that me the try to go live, but come like me don't know a way if go at it, so me just use a TikTok as an opportunity to go live.
Okay, and
this is not this. What a Springmount police them know me, sir. In my community, and they know.
Hold on, you're talking about Springmount in St. James?
Yes, sir. All our police them know I division know me well, sir. In me community, sir. They went vexed too, sir.
Me know Springmount.
Because they never went expect that from me still say me would have talk to you. Cause me did a hide and do it. Nobody never know. Me did a hide and do it. So me never expect say you would have bust out to like this.
Alright, so this HIV thing that...
You get what I'm saying?
Hold on. So this HIV narrative, HIV rumor and propaganda that you're basically trying to clear, to read your name off. Is it basically hindering you from getting a job moving forward? People are stigmatizing, people are scan you, step from you?
People you don't know that they want to hear that. I said
the phone I break up, I not hear you. You hang up and call me back. Phone. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, move up and down, man. That's why I not hear you.
Yes, are you hearing me better now?
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Yes, I just send you the HIV results on WhatsApp. Probably I was sending it at the same time, so the call was distracted.
Okay, I'm listening.
Yes, as I was saying now, anyone acknowledge that you have they hear that you have HIV, they're gonna stay far from you, or
Right.
You know all black people already. And then another thing, when Sir P gonna see that I am using my car to traffic man and doing illegal activities.
Hold on. Which one of the card? Which card?
My car in go semi use.
Car. Oh, so you have a car indeed?
Yes, I have a car about 10 years now. So the police them come and they took the car. They took the car. They look at it, everything. Give me back my car. My car is lightly tinted. I don't even tint my car dark. I don't like the dark things. And I don't feel good about it because I know on my grave that I don't do it. So,
hold on. I'm gonna say this, but you know, so the information where Sir P get and somebody tell Sir P do, you know that you can't really blame Sir P, you know. If you blame the individuals that basically know your story and passing on the information to us as bloggers or journalists. And Sir P, if you blame, you know, you can't blame the messenger.
When me go up a station, them ask me one night time say if me know Romario good, me guard. Me say yes, I'm an auntie little son. Me say, Sir P say, I Romario garden tell them say, I make your man come out. Then me say, no, you can't say that. Because me no got me auntie yard and would never dare do that. Because that the auntie they will then go say me go over that the auntie the yard. That the auntie ever they treat me good, ever. So me could look for dare go do that for my auntie. Me treat me so good. So me get corrupt every time me see little pitney, me no tap cause little pitney and they acting like dog and I want to get over this. Me no want to see me auntie pitney on road and they molest him and they have him up for the rest of my life. Because if he pitney and if he little boy no underage, you know, him about 18, 19 now. So even if he say me do that, him big enough he can come and quote with me if he turn up to say me do that. You know, suppose the public me name them the way they are no in charge, no come out of it and me living. I'm there. No man, for you publish me name about them this man, me I have to end up a courthouse, man.
So who you carry a court now? I'm just asking, you know, because like I stated before.
You me cousin me the thought, not Sir P. You know, him not supposed to go tell government that people bow me and him no go before a court. Why you not charge me if you say me do something like that? You know, me not do nothing like that, so you go just publish my name and left it out, left it like that. No, it can't work, so sir, me feel away. Not tell no lie, friend them how much people feel away about it. Me have to feel away for myself.
So
if me do it, me do it. If me do it, me do it. If me not do it, me just don't do it.
And next question though, are you being targeted by anyone that your ex, the now deceased, has committed any crime against?
No, only my family.
Hold on, let me rephrase the question. Anybody with boyfriend did harm or hurt, them target you?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, my family, my own family. Not even stranger want hurt, no target me and trouble me because the stranger them know say I am not like that.
So your family basically not deal with it because of your ex?
Right.
Up until this day?
And up until this day. And me and my family them did have family problem before my uncle even dead. So me have to carry them go all a court because I'm married to a German. So me used to give them money. So till when me done, me find out say I rubbish me I do, and sometimes they have for them own money and just use me. So me kind of find out I pay rubbish, so me stop give them money and everything. So me stop give them money now, then say me can't live down here in a house in a peace. Because a family land then give me, but I may be lucky.
Hold on. So you're married to the German after your ex-boyfriend basically died?
No, I'm married to one German family at 28 years old.
Oh.
Yeah. But I have little emotional difficulties and me and my husband have problem.
So that was when you got involved with what's his name again? O'Shane Earl.
Yes, Mutombo. He was trying to get to me for years, more than 2 years, more than 3 years, and me never did talk to him. And when things get bad, me sorry for him and me start give him little food and stuff, and he start pick up back, and that's when me and him kind of get intimate. And he said to me one day, say, you know, say me go try and change my life now. And me said to him, say, mother glad if you try and change your life. And me start help him, feed him and every little thing. So my family member them now spot him down at my house. So he said to me, say one day I walk past up at my grandmother yard and he see my uncle and my auntie and my grandmother. So he said to me, say, my family them see him and them I said to him, say, old thief, old vagabond, you're soon dead. You soon get what you forget, you know, want to in our family or whatever. So he say hurt him and he say me no trouble people, you know, say me no trouble people, you know, what make them a come for me now? What make them a come for me now? So he must say to me. And then me not take if you nothing, he say to me just not take if you nothing, me just, you know, me I say I saw them stay, they don't want you there with me. That's why I mean they tell you, say, if you hide and don't make nobody have a clue, say you they talk to me. That me say to him, you know. And then me there my house one day. And me there my house. One of my friend called me to carry him go mechanic. Cause he want me car to pack up a mechanic, tool him in I drop the mechanic for work on his car. So when me go down to the mechanic, now there's somebody tell me say my uncle get shot around on his farm. So me say, Jesus, and somebody say me if follow them, if you go around if you go see me save him. Me say farm them big, me don't know where if you go, me not even know how we should. In farm big, you know. My uncle farm them very big, so him alone now go on him farm by himself. He ever have a workman with him or 2 or 3, 4 man sometimes. So when him guy farm there, he went there with one youth. They work on him farm. So when he shot reach him now, as the youth now when they on the farm with him, run come now and I tell everybody in our community say I'm a boyfriend shoot me uncle. That is all me acknowledge, say something like that good on. So I wasn't there, I wasn't there, I was hear about it.
So hold on, I did Mutombo indeed shoot him? Be honest with me.
Sir, I wasn't there. What the youth say me have to work with what the youth say. Cause he was there. A big youth I live in our community, no fool.
Alright, so why would Mutombo want to shoot your uncle now? Because
me could tell her why you don't want to shoot him. Even if I'm shooting, me could tell her why. Because me don't know if them have any problem or no altercation more than just what my boyfriend when come and say to me say. In come and say to me say in the past up at their house.
And
them
them
walk past and then say to yes.
Alright,
yes.
Our next question. You ever transport Mutombo across parish borders before?
No. Camera there every boundary, no matter how you take a camera there, every boundary. If the panny light put, if you know the panny, if don't stop light, not the business place, they will have it. No, we never do that, sir.
So you can't
never traffic him. Me tell us I have one brand new vaccine for himself.
Oh, so you never came from West, so you never transport him from Westmoreland to St. James and back and forth, either way?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir. Never. Where I used to stay in Westmoreland is a gated community. You have to pass security and camera, and it was not my place.
Okay.
I was staying there with someone, so I couldn't bring him at his place.
Alright.
Couldn't bring him at people's place.
Okay, so
when I went to jail September 8, the police them tell me that Mutombo was in Westmoreland. Cause they tell me that after a murder took place in Barrett.
Hold on, just a second please. What did you went to jail for?
They only detain me.
Detain you for what?
They come to my house and say
for Mutombo?
Yes.
In relation to Mutombo? Okay, fine. So you got 2 times
in one.
So you got detained as his partner then?
Yes, I went to jail in May of last year, and last time I went was September 8th, and I come out the 17th of September.
And he died in October?
But no charges has been laid, and yes. Okay. I come from jail the 17th of September, and he died the 5th of October.
Alright, so what would you like to tell Sir P? Because I don't call him name already. I'm just asking, what would you like to tell him then? What would you like to get out there? The point that you're trying to make is what?
The point I try to make to him say, me is not a wrongdoer. Me never charge fingerprint or lock up or nothing. And me feel offended by these statements why I make about me on him program, even for somebody tell him. Because nothing like that no go so. Me never transport a man. Me not look no crime ratings and no big name. No, me never transport a gunman on a mission yet. Never transport my boyfriend on a mission yet. Never. And so me do me test them and me no HIV. Some would like whosoever give him this note or what would like then clear me name on the public or what. You get what I'm saying?
Alright.
Me understand say people go turn against me, you know, because look. My boyfriend, they look me for years and I never really want to talk to him, as me tell you. Because I tell myself, say, show them the boy, they are not even my type of boy. And so I tell myself, you know. But by talking and talking to him now, me gradually get to go fall in love with him. And that happened to me. And I did that try to save me, could have saved him life, but it don't work. It don't work. Because you get a message, because I tell him, say, go in, which is the right way.